In this video, I will be showing you how to design a report card in Canva. Let's get started. I'm starting on the Canva templates page and heading straight to the search bar to type in report card. As the results load, I can browse through a variety of professional layouts. I'll scroll down until I find one that fits my needs. This blue and white classroom report card looks perfect, so I'll click on it to see a preview. Once I'm happy with the choice, I'll click Customize this template to open it in the editor. Now that the design is open, I can start making it my own. I'll start by clicking on the blue background and remove. I'm going to select the shape and remove. Next, I want to adjust the layout slightly, so I'll select all the elements on the page and resize them together to keep everything centered. Now it's time to update the specific information. I'll double-click the class name and change it to Class 4A. Then I'll update the teacher's name to Yvonne Davidson. I'll also delete the student's name and number of absences. To make the text match my new theme, I'll select one of the subject labels and change its color to the same black. By clicking Change All at the bottom of the panel, I can instantly update every text element in the design to match. And that's it. The custom report card is finished and ready to use. Thanks for watching.